Hi everybody, this is Emily from the NetZoom team, here to talk to you about using the NetZoom Visio Add-In as a supplement to your NetZoom DCIM solution. The NetZoom Visio Add-In is a powerful tool that enables seamless and convenient integration of NetZoom's equipment library with Microsoft Visio, so you can save time developing high-quality diagrams. Whether it's a single rack or an entire data center, the NetZoom Visio Add-In provides the tools to create sophisticated network diagrams and documentation quickly and easily. The NetZoom Visio Add-In is a free, optional application for NetZoom users to be used in conjunction with NetZoom Visio Professional to auto-generate Visio diagrams and rack elevations. The NetZoom Visio Add-In allows NetZoom DCIM users to auto-generate Visio diagrams from NetZoom Data Center and Inventory using configured models and smart builds in Visio Diagrams and create Excel files from Visio Diagrams to import into NetZoom. In a previous video, we went over the installation of the NetZoom Visio Add-In. As we said, when you enter your subscription number during authorization, it will automatically detect whether you are using a NetZoom Visio Stencils or NetZoom DCIM. Once you've got the add-in installed on your workstation, you can open it. We'll be using the add-in in standalone mode, which means launching it from our desktop. However, you could also launch this in integrated mode directly from Microsoft Visio. As you can see, you'll be presented with the user authentication pop-up. Fill out your NetZoom credentials, including the application server, the username, and password. If you are using a software as a service version of NetZoom, check this box here. When finished, click OK to launch the add-in. As you can see, the NetZoom Visio Add-In includes the Infrastructure Explorer, which has 3 tabs: Data Center, Inventory, and Library. The Infrastructure Explorer presents the data center infrastructure of the live site in a tree view for easy navigation and offers a multi-tiered filter, just like in the NetZoom application. The Inventory tab lists devices and groups of the NetZoom inventory. You can select what type of inventory is displayed: new, old, disposed, as well as basic models, configured models, and smart builds. The Library tab allows you to search NetZoom's device library for any shapes you may need. When the NetZoom Visio Add-in is launched, the user is automatically presented with the last site they were using in NetZoom or the add-in. If you want to change the active site, you can do so by clicking the Select Data Center button. Then, when the Select Site form pops up, click on the site you want to switch to and click Switch Sites. You can filter the information shown in the Infrastructure Explorer using the filters found at the top. While looking at the data center infrastructure, for instance, you can filter by tenants, by management units, or by other specific filters with specific criteria. When you select a device in the Infrastructure Explorer, you can view the properties of the device in the Properties pane found at the bottom. All properties are read-only when using the NetZoom Visio Add-in and cannot be modified. You can also view a 2D preview of the device using the Preview pane. Just like in NetZoom, you can see the front, rear, and top views of a device. Visio diagrams can be auto-generated and saved to your computer simply by selecting a node and diagramming template. For example, we'll generate a Visio diagram of a single rack in our data center. Select the node you want to create a diagram for and click the Create Visio Diagram button. As you can see, a list of diagramming templates will appear. This list is populated from NetZoom's reports. You can check out NetZoom's documentation on reports and diagrams for more information on adding Visio report templates. But for now, simply select the diagramming template you want to use and click the Create button. The add-in will insert the selected rack or device image and properties into the template and generate the node-specific diagram. Once the diagram is generated, save it with a desired name and location for later use. As you can see, our rack has generated a diagram for us. If we select it, it'll open up in Microsoft Visio. You can also create a multi-rack or multi-device diagram this way by selecting a row of racks or other locations in the Infrastructure Explorer. Select the location you want to generate and check the racks or devices desired in the Visio diagram. If no devices or racks are checked, the multi-rack diagram will automatically include all devices and racks available in the node. Multi-diagram devices can then be created using the same steps as generating a single rack diagram. As you can see, when we select the Select Diagramming template pop-up, we'll have different options for what templates we can use. You can also add shapes from your live site or inventory by right-clicking on the desired shape and clicking Add to Microsoft Visio. On a shape view, the Add to Microsoft Visio command adds the selected device view to the open Microsoft Visio page. Since we have Microsoft Visio open here, it'll create the front view of this rack and open it in Visio. As you can see, our device has automatically been added to our Visio page. Right-clicking and clicking the Open Stencil command will create a Visio stencil of the device and add it to the Microsoft Visio shape window, shown here. This will allow you to drag and drop shapes as needed. Shapes can also be added to Visio by clicking the shape you want and dragging it over to the Visio menu. As you can see, our rear view of the rack has loaded in Microsoft Visio. If you have previously used a NetZoom product, you may already have many rack diagrams, front and rear views, created using NetZoom shapes in Microsoft Visio. The NetZoom Visio Add-In can be used to automatically create import sheets from these Visio diagrams to load these racks into NetZoom. Both single or multi-rack diagrams can be converted into import sheets. To create an import sheet, click the Create Import Sheet button. A search window will pop up. Search for and select the Visio diagram you want to turn into an import sheet. In this case, we'll use the diagram of the rack we just created. Your diagram must be properly formatted for this to work. For information on formatting your Visio diagram properly, check out the NetZoom Visio Add-In section of NetZoom's user manual. When complete, provide a name and save location for your Excel spreadsheet. As you can see, an import sheet has been created for the rack, including all devices installed within it. That covers the basics of using the NetZoom Visio Add-In with your NetZoom DCIM subscription. Please check out our other videos for more information on how to use the NetZoom product. And if you want to try NetZoom for your own data center, visit netzoom.com to schedule a free demo.